Okay, this section is 6.3 and this is problem number 1, and you're using transformations to graph an exponential equation. It's exponential because the variable is in the exponent. So it's g of x is equal to 1 plus 4 raised to the x plus 2. Determine the parent function, just like you've kind of always done. It's a kind of a basic exponential, some base raised to the x. This base happens to be 4. So think about when x is 1, when x is 0, and maybe even when x is negative 1. The domain of that function is all real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity. The range is from 0 to infinity, and the horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. This is what the parent looks like. Because at 0, you're going to get 1. At 1, you're going to get 4. And at negative 1, it's actually 1/4. So that is the graph. Now, your transformations. This would be left 2 and up 1. So it moves left, x change, up, y change. So the point 0, 1, if you go left 2, becomes negative 2, and up 1 is positive 2. The point 1, 4 will change to negative 1, 5. Subtract 2, add 1. Okay, then, so when you actually graph it, it should look like this. Its domain is still going to be all real numbers. When it's all real numbers, you shift and left and right's not going to change it. The range will change because you shifted it up. So instead of it being 0 to infinity, it's 1 to infinity. The horizontal asymptote shift up also. Your asymptote was right there at x, where y equals 0 was that line, which is the x-axis. It now is y equals 1. That's that little green dotted line there. So the two graphs look a lot alike. They were just literally shifted left and up. I hope that makes sense.